Best wubs in Serum 2. That's how to do professional wubs. You can see my professional. I've got a whiteboard, a dressing gown. But guys, listen, these wubs are... Let's talk you through them. So, step 1, get a Serum 2 and just get a MIDI note. So first of all, we're going to do basic shapes, and it's wavetable position 4 for the square. Random down. Next one, you're going to create this shape here on envelope. We're going to go master, and it's LFO1. Click this one. We want 2 arrows this time. Global master tune, and it's just down 1%. Okay, just tidgy bit. Can you hear that? That's the most important thing now. Just recreate that. It's on 1/4. Cool. And now the wub, we're gonna go LFO2. Click envelope and stick that on there. I do Alt Shift and click, and then you're gonna move the position of this top arrow. Cool, so give it a go.